Hello friends, welcome back to CIVILDEPTH-BD. Today I will show you how we can model this type of staircase in SketchUp. At first we will take a rectangle. Here I am taking 60 feet, 60 feet rectangle. Now here we need to create a curve. Before creating any curve, I will go to tape measure tool. In SketchUp, this command is considered as guideline. Here I am taking 8 feet. Again for this direction 8 feet. Now go to go to 2-point arc command. Single click of mouse, and at this point we will double click the mouse. And you can see that unnecessary part has been removed by SketchUp and a curve has been made. Now we can go to edit and then delete guides. If we need to make this curve more smooth, just select the curve and go to entity info. Here in segments we will increase its number. Suppose here I will input 30 and enter. Now you can see that this curve is more smooth. Now we will double click here. Now right click of mouse, go to make group. Now we need to select this face. So just select this face by triple click of mouse. Then go to push pull tool, 6 inches. Then I will press Ctrl in the keyboard. Then you can see a plus icon beside this command. I will take 9 feet 6 inches. Again I will take 6 inches. Okay. We need to pull this portion. So I will, okay, fine, for 4 feet. Again select this surface and press 4 feet. Now we have to model a staircase. So for the modeling of a staircase, we will use 1001 bit tools. From here I will take single flight staircase. Here I will input step width, that means A is 4 feet, thread depth 10 inches, slab thickness 6 inches, stringer depth 6 inches, handrail, riser height, number of riser, stringer width, build staircase. Now select this point. In this direction we are not getting any specific reference, so I will select this point and the staircase has been prepared. Now move this one, then go to mirror command or flip command. If you are using SketchUp Pro 2023, you will get this command automatically by SketchUp. But if you are using lower versions, in that case I will provide the download link for this mirror command. So here I am using this built-in command. We need to mirror this or flip this object as per this green box. So I will just click here and you can see that our object has been flipped. Now we don't need this handrail. Right click of mouse, go to edit group. We will delete them. For reference, I will take tape measure tool. Here I am taking 2 inches. From this side again 2 inches. For this side I am taking 2 inches and 2 inches. Now we can draw a line here just for reference, nothing else, not very mandatory. Okay. Go to edit, then delete guides. Now we have to model handrail, right? So go to extension, then select mass rail. Here I am using type A with rail height 36 inches. Now select the starting point and end point, but at end point we have to click the mouse twice at a time. That means double click here. So you can see that we have prepared the handrail also. Now you can easily understand that this handrail is unique. Again, this staircase is unique. We have to combine them. That means we have to create a combined group. So at first select this staircase, then press shift on your keyboard and select this handrail. Right click of mouse, make group. Now we have to take a reference line which is parallel to red axis. Always remember, if you are going to use shape bender tool, in that case your object must be placed parallel to the red axis. So here I will take this portion. We don't need this blue box. From here to here. Very simple. Now we need the curve along which we are going to bend this staircase. So select this curve, select move tool, press Ctrl, just move here. Okay, this is a single group, so we can explode. Again triple click, right click of mouse, make group. Now what will we do? We will select this combined group and we will go to shape bender tool. Then select the line. This point is being considered as a starting point and this point as end point. Next we have to select the curve. Please select a curve to bend the shape to. We are selecting this curve. Here this is telling us that this one is the starting point and this one is the end point. Fine. Enter. Now very simple. Select the combined group and select here. Then move. Now here you can see that we have prepared this staircase as per our requirement. That's all for today. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.